Hi, this is Tim from Latest 3DS Games, and I thought I would just show you some more random online matches. And I'm gonna I'll just show you the difference in really just hopefully the players, because you can come up against someone really good, and then you can come up someone who's not as good as you, and then you'll come up against someone who's pretty well evenly matched. But it is a bit random, and this video may or may not show you, as we're up against our first opponent. So, just trying to. This is my least favourite core, actually. Okay, so I'm probably have a look. I might be alright against this player. 30 love so far. Although I was very slow across there. Gave away that point, 30-15. Oh, he gave away a shocker there. 30-all, that was a really bad shot there. Oh, I've done it again. I don't know what I'm doing now. And I should have won that game quite easily. So let's try and pick up. Oh dear, that was a bad shot. That's a bit better. Well, 30-15. Oh. Missed another easy shot. 30-all now. Oh, dearie me. Okay, so got it back to juice. And we've got advantage now, so hopefully I can pull this back. Oh, yeah, so we've won the game back, and really, I'm not quite sure who I'm up against, but I wouldn't have said they were really necessarily any better than me. It's just I've played particularly badly. That's a bit better, 15 love. So it's someone certainly a bit more evenly matched than I've been coming across lately. First, when you play online, you're going to find you're going to get absolutely smashed off the court. But after you've had a few games, you will find that you should be able to start winning some games. Although I should have won that shot easily. Oh, dearie me. 40-15. Okay. So that's the third game. Hopefully. Oh, if I can go the right way, I was going to say I could have won this. No, gone the wrong way again. Not doing too well in this game. That's better. And I've given that one away. I might pull up 1 point. So 40-15. See if we can get another one. No. Okay, so I think we're into a tiebreaker on this one. Oh, and I've messed it up severely there. Oh, dearie me, gave away an easy point. Oh, another easy bad return there. What you don't want to do is this, and get off to a shockingly bad start in a tiebreak, because you're going to find it difficult to pull it back. Oh, missed another easy shot there. Okay, so that's 3-1. And that should be 3-2. So we need to get one back here. Oh dear, and I've done another poor return. Okay. Another poor return. But we've got lucky there, as our opponent made a bit of a mistake. Oh, dearie me, that was a terrible shot, but got away with it. That was a terrible one. Okay, so we've managed to pull back, hopefully. Oh, not a terrible shot though. He's just at 5-all. Oh. We pull this one back, 6-all. Yeah, we've got an advantage. Oh, terrible returning at the moment. And then what I'm not doing is looking at where the opponent's playing well. And I'm just playing into their hands at the moment. Okay, we've got another advantage. Oh dear me, another bad return. Hopefully we've got an advantage. Now we're on for a match point. Oh, terrible. Oh, can't believe it. What a fluke. So that was a pretty hard fought match. And fairly evenly matched. Up against Frosty. And that's the end of that game. So pretty lucky to win. We'll show you another game now.